My name is Clayton Carpenter, and I am doing the Higher Up Wellness Public Speaking Challenge. This is day one. The reason I'm making this video is, honestly, I'm so nervous. Heart's just beating like crazy right now. And so, using that as kind of a guide, I figured that I would take the challenge. I've thought about it for, weeks. I just think that it would help me grow as an individual. I'm not very good at sharing, my thoughts or feelings, or not feelings rather, but like thoughts. I'm not very good at keeping eye contact, especially when speaking. And so I think that I would grow as an individual. Because it scares me, why not jump into it?